Good morning, kids. Today, we're going to learn again how to read English.
Nouns are name words. Name of persons, places, things, and animals. Like pen, book, bicycle, balloons, eraser, cat, dog, balloon, bag, ball, plant, tent, and pencil. Practice reading with I have plus name word. Read with me. I have a book. My book is big. Now it's your turn. Let's have another one. I have a pet. My pet is cute. Now it's your turn to read. Did you read correctly? That's great. Let's have another one. I have a bicycle. My bicycle is new. Now it's your turn to read. Good job. Let's have another one again. I have a pencil. My pencil is long. Now it's your turn to read, children. Excellent, children. Now let's try another one again. I have a plant. My plant is growing. Now, children, it's your turn again. You read. You did it! Now let's have another one. I have a friend. My friend is kind. Now you read. Awesome, children. Let's have another one again. I have a balloon. My balloon is red. You did right. Now it's your turn to read. That's great. Have another one. have an eraser. My eraser is small. Now it's your turn to read. Well done. Now let's have another one. I have a kitten. My kitten is small. It's your turn to read now. Good job. Children, let's have another one. I have a dad. My dad is big. Now do it alone, please. You read. You did right again. Let's have another one. I have a pen. My pen is black. Turn to read now. That's great. You read well. Let's have another one again. I have a kite. My kite is high. Kids, your turn to read now. Good job. Let's have another one again. I have a ball. My ball is colorful. Oh, kids, now it's your turn to read. Good job, kids. Now let's have another one to read. I have a medal. My medal is gold. Kids, your turn to read.
Thank you for watching. So please subscribe and click the bell button. See you in my next video.